Hello everyone, it's Mark here, and thanks for coming along with me. Parking in this Home Depot parking lot because I stayed at Best Western Hotel here in Bellingham, Washington, and I just got up. It's time to go to work, but I'm still off duty for a little bit, so let's do a flight. And I've checked my DJI app, and there wasn't any flying allowed from the hotel. The propellers wouldn't turn there because it's within the blue shaded area. You see the hotel is the pink Best Western, and the line there draws the line from where you can fly, and you can't fly there. So on the right side there you are, it will fly, and that's where I put the smiley face. And there's this wooded area across the street from Home Depot there that I circled there, and there's this creek that runs through, which might be an interesting thing to film. So I thought, well, let's drive over to the Home Depot parking lot and cross the street and do some flying. But I failed to check the Before You Fly app from the Federal Aviation Administration, and we are within the circle where it's illegal to fly because we're too close to the Bellingham airport. So always check your Before You Fly app before you go through all this trouble. Would have been nice to see the construction of these apartment buildings they're constructing there, and the wooded area and the creek, but oh well, that's what I get for not planning ahead. So I turned the camera off and thought, but then I thought, no, let's turn the camera back on and make a story out of this, and a lesson that I can remember and might help somebody else out in the future. But thankfully, I have a lot of beautiful drone footage tucked away just for a day like today, so enjoy. Well, and we're driving southbound on I-5 here, and as you can see, the sky is kind of gray, which is very typical for Western Washington. But I discovered something here on my truck that might help out with that. Not that there's anything wrong with the gray, because if it wasn't for gray skies, we wouldn't have skies at all. Anyway, you can see this blue strip on top of my windshield, and I was thinking, that makes an interesting blue filter for my camera. See how it gives it a blue tint? And if I were to bring it just halfway down to where the sky is, but not on the street, then I might have blue skies even when it is cloudy instead of gray. Okay, so here we are testing it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you. I really appreciate you coming along with me. Thanks for watching, and God bless.